Okay. All right, I'm back on. I just paused, I stopped the stream and then I've come back. So if you're watching this video and not the previous one, that's okay. The previous one went for like 8 hours. This is the end of the stream. My camera will probably turn off. It's overheating. We've been at it for 8 hours, people. But the last step here is we are going through and creating the description for the app, uploading app screenshots, and then we're going to do a submission. Okay, so the app is finished to the point where I'm happy enough with it. And then hopefully tomorrow it'll be on the App Store, but it doesn't work very well. And you'll see that. You'll see that. So let's get into this. We've got our description we need to fill out, and so what I've got is the ChatGPT, and we are going to create an app description for this. So write me a description for an app that. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Give me a second. And then I'm gonna head out because I've got to go to dinner, and I've been at it, like I said, for I think nearly 9 hours now. Anyway, it would have been nice to bundle it all into one stream and maybe edit the video, but I think bookending it this way is much better. So write me a description for an app that has a wombat for a mascot that tries to solve cryptic crossword clues for you, but is very bad at it. But is very bad at it. There was an error. Okay, let's copy this thing. The tokens on this expire like every 2 minutes or something. It's completely useless. Here we go. Okay, introducing Cryptic Wombat. The app features a lovable wombat as its mascot and attempts to solve cryptic crossword clues for you. However, don't expect too much help from this wombat. It's not the sharpest tool in the shed and often provides comically incorrect answers. Despite its lack of expertise, Cryptic Wombat will provide hours of entertainment as you try to decipher the clues with its humorous attempts at assistance. Download now and see yourself why this app the perfect companion for crossword enthusiasts with a sense of humor. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, let's paste this in here. Let's format it. Introducing cryptic. I named it Penelope. So, introducing Penelope, the cryptic wombat. The cryptic wombat. No, the cryptic wombat Penelope. No, introduce, because the cryptic wombat is the app name, right? So. Introducing let's rename it. Let's call it Cryptic Wombat. Why not? Yeah, we'll call it Cryptic Wombat. I'm just gonna go with save. I'm going to change the name of the app. Cryptic Wombat. Nope, Cryptic Wombat. Okay. Introducing Cryptic Wombat, the app that features a what do we got? Lovable wombat as its mascot and attempts to solve cryptic crossword clues for you. However, don't expect too much help from this wombat. It's not the sharpest tool in the shed and provides comical. It's not that comical. I guess it's comical that people are spending their money on this and it's not doing anything. Download and see for yourself why this app is a perfect companion for crossword. Okay, excellent. Keywords. Cryptic crossword. Oh, let's ask ChatGPT. App Store SEO words for an App Store search engine optimization keywords for an app that solves cryptic crosswords. Let's do it. Cryptic crossword solver. Yeah. Cryptic crossword app, crossword assistance, cryptic crossword clues, crossword puzzle help, cryptic crosswords, crossword solver, crossword app, cryptic puzzles, crossword assistance app. Yeah, let's go for it. We have too many. let's go with puzzle. Crossword assist. I don't think we needed multiple crosswords in there. Hey, so we can say no app assistance. We don't need crossword app. We can go solver. We can go cryptic. We can go puzzle. We can do puzzle help. Yeah, puzzle help. Crossword clues. I do like that one. Crossword assistance. We need crossword help. We can get rid of that. I think we've already got that. Puzzle help. Let's get rid of puzzle help as well. 31 left. Cryptic crossword solver. We need to keep that. We can get rid of cryptic crossword app. And we're down to 8. I think we can do that with removing the spaces in between the keywords. Can we do it? No, we can't. Cryptic crossword solver, crossword assistance. Assistance, we can get rid of assistance. Here we go. That's good enough. Okay, we need a support URL, marketing URL. We are not doing a website. Support URL. Ooh. If you need support, you know what? I'm going to grab. Let's go to my YouTube channel and then the latest stream. Let's grab. Let's grab the link for that. And I'll see if Apple allows that to go through, but I don't know if they will. Let's do it. Copyright, yeah, we go 2023. Well, sure. Version 1, we don't need a marketing URL. It will probably get rejected because of the in-app purchases. I think on the purchase screen, I'm going to need some more buttons, but I've run out of time today to do that. I'm going to submit anyway, and we'll see how we go. The next thing we need is an app icon. So to speed things up, I have Diffusion B on my other Mac, and I can run through some app icons there. But to speed things up, let's just go straight to DALL-E, and we'll use that. We'll use that. Log in. Quick. I just need to text my wife and tell her that I will be almost finished. It's gonna be funny because if we have like the wombat, oops. Yeah, here we go. App icon of a cryptic crossword solving wombat. We'll call this SV. We'll call this vector art. I can upload the image I have of this wombat. I could do that. Skip cropping. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. No. What do we, oh no. Okay, let's do this again. App icon of a cartoon wombat who is terrible at solving cryptic crosswords. An app icon, and this will be we'll make this, what was it called? Vector art simple generate. Let's see what we get. Oh, these are terrible icons, right? Ooh. Get rid of the cryptic crosswords. An app icon of a cartoon wombat who is terrible. Sounds good. I'm sorry, I really hate these. All right, I think what we're going to do instead is just use the creature, the character that I've got already, and just grab its head and then put that on an icon. This isn't doing it for me. I've tried. No, given up. So let's just, I'll open up my editing software here and we will just, what do we got? Let's go with, we need to resize this, don't we? Let's shrink this thing down, and we need to change the document resize canvas, and this needs to be, I think, 1024 by 1024. To start with, let's resize. Cool. And I think I can, yeah, that's what we want. We'll delete everything except for the head. Oh, come on. Give me those bits. Okay, here we go. And then we'll make this larger. Can we get this in the middle somehow? No, we'll just go with that. And I think what I'll do is I'll grab like a shape. Put this here, put that above. This will be the background. And in the background, we are going to do some layer effects and just chuck down some, oh, my voice. 8-hour stream and voice is completely gone. Okay, so let's, we need to change, yep. And let's add some color to this. So I think instead of the black, I kind of want to go for like that teal color here. Maybe, no. This would be the orange. And we're going to select model on the app over there, at least the dark version of the app. We could do multiple icons and we can switch them out depending on the theme that they've got on their phone, but let's just go with this. Ooh, that kind of stands out, doesn't it? Okay, maybe if we do an outline. No, close. We don't want the outline on that. We want the outline on this bad boy. Yeah, let's do it. Outline. I don't hate it, right? Like, it's not, I mean, it kind of stands out. I don't know. Good enough. That's good enough for me. Maybe I could put like question marks or something on it. Nah, that's good enough. Let's do that. Let's go with that. I gotta get to dinner. So let's do a little export. What file export? This will be a PNG 10 to 24. Yes, export. I'm gonna throw this on my desktop. Okay, and now I think there's another app I have which is like an icon set creator. It is a bit dated now. As in, I don't think the developer has updated it in a while. So we've got this platform, iOS. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to send this to my desktop again. And here's everything. Yeah, cool. And so it gives you like the full icon set and stuff. So all I need to do is jump back to like the assets folder, and then I can just throw it all in here, right? Maybe I do this off screen, because what I'll do is I'll go to the assets folder. I'll show it in Finder, and then I'm just going to drop this app icon directly in there. And hit replace. I'll bring Xcode back, and this is the icon all done. So that took me all of like 5 minutes. It was actually quick for me just to make it myself and get the AI to try and make something that I was happy with, which is okay. And so if I do a little run of the app, you can see there, cryptic crossword. Let's call, the app had a different name, didn't it? And yeah, I mentioned this app on the previous stream. So if you want to know what that's all about, go check it out. Product ID 50 tokens. I need to change that. because it's not, it's giving us, yeah, it's displayed incorrectly, I think. Can I edit? No. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, I need to change the name of the app because what I've done now, I've gone ahead and set, where is it? App Store here. So I've set the name of the app to Cryptic Wombat, and I'm just going to change it in here for the display. Cryptic Wombat, Cryptic Wombat. Whoops. And I think that means, oh, it's still getting cut off, right? No, it's there. Cryptic Wombat. Excellent. Okay, cool. So we've got our app icon finished. I think if we see how it keeps disappearing, I think if we remove it and then re-go, do we have our little tokens left? Because this will be a good test. Yes, we do have a tokens left. Excellent. And yeah, we go. Our icon is all set. We are done. Almost. Let's do some screenshots. File, save, screen. Excellent. Let's upload that. Which one is it? 6.7? Yeah, I think it's a 6.7 display, isn't it? So iPhone displays. No, it's not. So we need the larger phone. So I'll grab that now. iPhone 14 Plus. Let me move this on the screen, make sure I haven't got anything suspicious. Oh, it's loading. It's the first time I've run the this simulator, iPhone 14 Plus. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, and I can do screenshots. I couldn't before because, man, it was having some issues. Like keyboard shortcuts on the other sim. Why can I not upload anything here? What's going on? Drag up to. Do I need to drop this on the desktop first? Is that my problem here? And why does the notch sit up there? iPhone 14 Plus. Oh, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Dang, that's what we're after. All right, sorry everyone. Let's do this again. Come on. This isn't working for me either. Come on. We'll use these for all using, yeah. These for display sizes and localizations. iPhone display sizes and localizations. You select. Okay, that goes to show how long it's been since I've done this. Wow. All right, let's grab a clue, something dumb. I love this. I think this is great. I want to also add, oh, where is this thing? This certificate needs to go up here as well. Add to targets. No, I don't think we need to do that. And because like my builds weren't running on Xcode Cloud. So let's go with that. Added icon and fixed. I don't think I have. May have fixed the compile error. Commit push. And just for fun, let's run this on the Mac. Yeah, register as a developer. I did that ages ago. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not going to run on the Mac. That's fine. We don't care about that. Okay, so we've got some icons. We've got some screenshots set up. The next step is to go with we'll use this iPad display or iPhone sizing. iPad Pro. Hang on, my dog probably needs to get out, I think. Off you go, buddy. Yeah, the camera definitely keeps turning off, so I need to let it cool down. We're nearing the end of this thing, though. We're almost there. All right. Screenshots for the iPad. So let's get that done. Where are you, iPad? Okay, you're over this side of the screen. Hey boy, stop. I'll have to send you outside in a minute, buddy. Oh, like, it's fine, I guess, right? What do we got? 12.9. We need to change that to the larger iPad. Where is it? 12.9. Yeah, let's do that. Gosh, you can tell I'm rushing through this as much as I can. No, just sit there, buddy. I'll be back in a sec. Just gotta get the dog a treat. I'm back. These are terrible screenshots. I did not do any work for the iPad. If app doesn't look or behave identical in all languages and all support devices, you should use minimum custom. Yeah, okay. And do we have? Let's use the same prompt and see what we get back. Oh, what have I done? Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, this would definitely get rejected because I haven't really finished the in-app purchase screen, but I want to get it rejected so they can tell me what I need to do to it. Because I'm not entirely sure when it comes to consumable in-app purchases, so I don't know. Yeah, this thing looks terrible. Let's do this one instead. The iPad's gonna look bad anyway, but what else do we need in here? Promotional text. Automatically release. Yeah, if they let it go through, let's just go for it. Let them go. Let them do it. I should try and set up some sort of API request where I can, like, if someone goes to make an in-app purchase, they need to check check OpenAI first to see if I've got money on my account, and then if that's the case, it can come back and they can make the in-app purchase to get some tokens so that they can use this app. But I'm gonna put this out there and we'll just see how it goes. So I kind of think that's it. Xcode Cloud just sent me another thing. So let me see the build report. macOS failed. But that's okay, right? We don't care about macOS. Promotional text, we're not doing any of that. Pricing availability, we need to set this up. So this needs to be, we might making this free. Free everywhere. Sure, why not? App privacy. We need to do App Store design. We need a privacy policy. So I'm just going to grab that from my GitHub. I have one that I can use. Where we got privacy. Privacy policy. And the way this works is like I'll just have this markdown file and then I'll go to the raw text and then it's markdown because I'll present it in an app in a better format, right? And what do we do here? We just grab, we paste that into the App Store stuff, get started. No, I don't collect any information. I probably should. Do we need to user privacy choices URL? I think I need to add this. And we don't need to do the choices. Publish your app privacy responses. Yes. So that's done. Ratings, reviews. Nope. App review. In-app purchases. In-app purchases need to be fixed. This needs to be fixed because this says 60 and it's not. Oh, all the prices are messed up. So I need to go through and change all the prices too. So what I'll do is I'll submit this for review. And then if it gets approved, I'll go through and change the app purchases and then I'll release it like tomorrow or something like that. So product page optimization, we don't need to create tests for that. Custom product pages. Yes. We've got pricing availability. It's available everywhere. App information. Prepare for app submission. Okay, we got to build stuff. We got to build here. Okay, so what I want to do is encryption. I don't think we have anything set up in test flight yet. No builds. Okay, so let's just do a manual upload. Let's go my phone product archive. Let's do it. Oh no, destination phone not bad for archive scheme. Does not match cryptic crossword server app 6.2 deployment target. Because my yeah, 16, iOS 16 product archive. A register device. Archiving, you can see it up here. 30 out of 79, and that number always changes. We're almost there, people. Oh, we're so close. Almost there. Build successful. Great. I usually get Xcode Cloud to do this, but it's causing me problems. I think this will be much faster. Where's my results? Let's do it again. What's going on? Why am I having so many problems? Come on. Where is it? Window. Oh, it's over on the other side. It's on my other screen. All right. Distribute. App Store connects. Upload. Here we go. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. What is wrong? What have we got wrong? Upload. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's much faster to run this stuff on Apple servers. Oh, that was quick. So we got it uploaded. Now it'll do some, it should do some checking, correct? And we are about to find out if it's finished. Yes. Okay, excellent. All right, so that means it'll be processing for a little while. So we just sit here on this screen and we just refresh and wait until it shows up here, right? So come on. What can we do? Anything else we can do in the meantime? What do we do here? Oh yeah. Oh, device orientation changes. Commit. Push. Push. Oh, come on, come on. No, my dog's seen somebody outside. Come on, keep refreshing. All right, I'm back. Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. Add build. Let's do this. Missing compliance. That's fine. Let's fix that up. And we'll say none of the algorithms mentioned above. I'm so glad they updated that. Man, that was impossible to read the wording of it last time. Some lawyer set it up. Add for review. We get any errors? Just below show. You must select primary category for your app. You must upload a screenshot for 12.5. Yes. Second generation displays. Gosh darn it. All right, let's do that. We have oh man, 12.9. This is annoying. Man, I hate that this is even still a thing. I don't even have I gotta add the sim. Oh gosh. iPad Pro second generation. Third generation iPad Pro 12.9 inches. Yes. Added. Oh, my dog, stop it. Just licking himself in the background. I didn't realize. A good chance you probably could have been hearing that. Okay, so 12.9 inch second generation. Let's do this. Upload screenshots for that. Content rights information and app information. Yeah, that's okay. We can do that in a second. App. Actually, we'll do that now while we're waiting for this to boot. Okay, yeah. So we need to set category is entertainment, and secondary is utility. Content rights. Yes, it contains shows access to third-party content and necessary rights. No, it does not contain show. Oh yeah, it does, because I've got some of these images, but I've paid for them. Image. None. Next. Yes, this app contains web access. No, this app contains instant. No gambling. Made for kids? No. Restricted for 17 plus? No. We'll just go nope. App Store production server URL. So App Store server notifications? No, we don't need that. Save. Cool. So if we go back and we just say, hey, we want to do ad for review, we should get some different errors here now. Screenshot. Contact information section. Yes. Sign in not required. This is me. I am not going to fill that out just yet. I'll do that in a second off on another screen. So we'll hit save. Okay, let's go with this. Grab this bad boy, toss that in there. Okie dokie. Nope. We need to grab. Hey, buddy boy, you want to stop licking your feet? Just for a little bit. Can we? Yay, submit. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing here. So tap on here, save. I would definitely do better animations, like a yawn. Could probably make it move. Anyway, so why can't we save? What's wrong? What's wrong with this? Email field is required. Oh, okay. Let me do this off screen. Email. Save. Add for review. What do we got? Must upload a screen of 5.5-inch iPhone displays. You just got to set them up for everything, I guess. Man, what a pain. What an absolute pain in the butt. Okay, so 5.5, iPhone 5.5. Where are we? Add additional SIM. Yes. 5.5. What is a 5.5 display? Are we talking like, iPhone 8 plus maybe? I can't remember. Hey bud, it's a little bit, you're barking in the other room and now you're licking yourself in here. I know you're a little bit bored, but we're almost done. All right, I'm just gonna have to mute. Okay, yeah, so we're just grabbing screenshots right now. Okay, he's gone a little bit quieter. If he picks back up with his furious licking, I'll mute again, but this should be okay. I'm gonna try adding this for review. Did we do it? I think we have. I think we may have. Submit tab review. Okay, I think we've done it. That's it. Stream over. Really, right? Like, that's finished. It was like how long we got? 40 minutes on this one, and I did about 8 hours and a bit on the one previous. So yeah, I split them up so that we could have app submission separate to the actual build itself. But oh man, I think we did it. But yeah, as you can see, it's not a very good app, and I've marketed it as such. It's a terrible app. If this passes review, I'm going to be very surprised because I haven't really completed the the payment screen yet, so it'll probably get rejected. We'll see how we go. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go straight over to the app information. Oh no. iOS app here. Scroll down the bottom. Oh man. Yeah, I'll just put my contact information right up for everyone to see. So we are going to manually release the version because I need to make changes to these in-app purchases. Because if you have a look here, these are like way overpriced for what you get. I don't want I don't want that. I don't want people to be spending like $40-50 on just some tokens so that they can solve a crypto puzzle. That's incorrect. So I just want to get this up there. Tonight I'll come back. I'll change these off stream, make them something more. We might just reduce it down to like 1 or 2, right? I might just have $1 and $5, and then $5 gives you 700, and $1 gives you like I don't know 200 or something. So that's it. The stream is finished. We have built our app. We've got some cool, nice little sort of like animation stuff happening here when it moves around. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. That's like 9 hours of work. Let's just recap real quick. So we went through and we used OpenAI to send questions to the AI, so that for like our cryptic crossword questions. So if we go back to our question view model, we prefix everything that the user types into that box with "give me a few possible answers to the following cryptic crossword clue," and we have a set amount of where we got here. We go into the AI question, which is over this side. So you can see model AI question, and in here we are set to only use a maximum of 50 tokens for each like sending and receiving. And so what will happen is sometimes like if it gives us too many answers, it'll cut off in the end there, which is what happens in ChatGPT anyway, right? Like you get it to make a script or something, and it's like this big wall of text, and then it's just like suddenly gets cut off. That's just the limitation of what we got to deal with. I don't think it would be really nice if we can say, okay, this is what we got back. Let's just trim off the half a word or something, right? So it's a little bit cleaner. But unfortunately, that's not the case. We can't do that. But anyway, I got it set up so that I can set up different models and stuff, test later. Found out the DaVinci one is probably the best. We got some interesting results with 1 and 2. Version 3 is probably the best. And then what we've got coming up, I'm hoping this year we get GPT-4 or something. Something else I want to point out too is that with OpenAI's and API endpoints using DaVinci 003, these models, we get slightly different answers to when we're using ChatGPT. And the ChatGPT seems to do a little bit better when it comes to cryptic crosswords. And you also get all this extra information afterwards. I keep thinking like OpenAI or whatever. Yeah, that is it. OpenAI and their API is like not sending back this descriptive text, which would have been useful to have some of that, but it doesn't matter. But that's it for me. That's the stream. If you missed the bulk of it, it's on my channel already. You can go back and watch that now. I'm off. I'm going to go get some dinner and have a very long sleep. And oh man, I think that's it. We've done it. I made an app in a day, and I don't think I've ever done that before in my life. I've made lots of apps, but nothing that I've like made that is like kind of polished and then submitted to the App Store. It'll get rejected, but Anyway, see ya everybody. Till next time.